So friends, very good evening to all of you. And today we have a wonderful topic, polythene bag must be banned or not. Okay. So first you would have to put your views on the topic in very short. Okay. In the last we will conclude the topic. Okay. So who will initiate the group discussion? Who will initiate the group discussion? Start from Manya. Okay. Put your views.
Good evening everyone, my name is Manya Patel. Today topic is polythene must be banned. I am going to share my thought about this topic. Polythene must be banned because it is very harmful to us, not only human beings, also animals. If government ban polythene bags and recommended cotton bags, if people also start to use polythene bags and shape our and save our lives and animals' lives and save the environment and save Mother Earth. And I see in my society many people throw polythene on the road without any thinking its effects and result. Sometimes many animals eats polythene, which result is that at last I would like to say we should use jute and cotton bags instead by polythene. Thank you.
So very good, Manya. You have put your views very nicely. So according to you, polythene bags must be banned.
Polythene bag banned.
Must be banned.
Yes. Why it is eat animals and
Animal eats and polythene can't be digested. So this is very dangerous for the animals.
Yes.
Okay, give him mic.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Devesh Pal. Today we have nice topic. Polythene bags must be avoid and not avoid. According to me, polythene bags want to avoid because it's very harmful to us and animal eats stray of garbage. So he want to dead animals.
Animal can be died.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give him mic.
So good evening friends, we have today we have wonderful topic about that polythene bags must be banned in India. So in my point of view, polythene bags must be banned because it is very harmful for human and it is also harmful for animals because sometimes cows and animal we see that when they had no food to eat something, then they eat polythene, and it is not also good for our environment, and the polythene bags may take millions of years for decompose. The polythene bags take millions of years for decompose, and it is also harmful for our soil. So thank you.
So as you told, polythene bags must be banned in India, not in all over the world.
So it is also, but
It is dangerous for only India, not other worlds,
so it is also,
not other countries.
yes sir, it is.
So it must be banned in all over the countries, in whole world. It must be banned because it can't be decomposed, and it is also dangerous for the animals because animal can't be digested. So animal can be died by eating polythenes from garbage.
So good evening everyone. Today we have a wonderful topic. Polythene bag must be banned. So in my point of view, polythene bag must be banned because polythene bag can cause many causes. If polythene bag government had also stopped or banned polythene bags in India, but people are using plastic polythene bags because it is very cheap for us, and people think who will waste money on buying costly cotton bags. So people think that we have to buy cheap poly bag, so our money will also save. So government has to totally ban the plastic, and by burning plastic it releases many harmful gases, which is
SO2
SO2, which is very harmful for living beings. that cause deaths also, and animals also get disadvantaged by eating polythene bag because because they don't have any food to eat, so they eat plastics and get died. So in my point of view, plastic must be banned.
First of all, good evening to all. As we all know that we have a nice topic, polythene bags must be banned. So in my point of view, we should have to ban the polythene because it has many disadvantages as they are told us, and every day we can see the garbage truck is coming in our society, and we throw many garbages like polythenes and all of these, but the polythene bags is very harmful for us, because if we are walking on road and we are purchasing some polythene packets, and we throw at the side of road, and the cows and many types of animals eat and don't decompose it, and that's the result is they died. And so at last I would like to say that polythene bags must be banned.
Good evening, everyone. We have a very nice topic: polythene bag must be banned or not. So my point of view is that polythene bag not be banned, because this is a very important part of like as we have any shop, so we can purchase anything. So they give me a product in a polythene bag. If we have no any polythene bag, so we can not take product, and we have we have also one way to polythene should be banned. According to me, we can use cloth of bags, but this is cotton bags, but it is very costly. So I think my point of view is that polythene must not be banned.
Good. After giving the views, I will ask question to Deepu. Okay, because he is not in favor of polythene bags must be banned or not. So first, put your views.
Okay, good evening to all. As we all know, we have a wonderful topic which is plastic. Okay, so as I want to say that plastic is yes harmful for our environment and for our health, but it is very important for our economy also, because plastic we all see lots of products are made up of plastic, like this pan is also made up of plastic, this bench is also made of plastic, and lots of medicines packages are also made of plastic, and plastic industry is very huge industry in our country or in comparison to world also. But we have to not fully vanish plastic, because it harm our economy, but we have to replace something while we are using plastic on the basis of plastic. So I think as a lot of people say that we can use plastic bags in place of plastic. We should use cotton bags or jute bags instead of plastic bags, and we also need to try different kinds of materials, like at home we are using mats which are made up of plastic, we can replace by carpets. So we need to give little bit of our daily implement or contribution to reduce the use of plastic. By helping these little things, we can reduce the use of plastic. So that's all about plastics. So
What is the conclusion?
thank you.
Plastic bags must be banned or not?
Yes, it must be banned, but we have to replace something on behalf of plastic.
She told plastic bags must be banned, but besides it, you are saying it must be replaced from another things.
If we say only when the plastic bags, then we must replace them by cotton bags or jute bags. By decreasing the cost of jute and cotton bag, we can implement this for reducing plastic bags. Okay, because most of people use plastic bags because they are very cheaply costed and they are very durable also. But if we say other, not only plastic bags but other items like we use plastic chips packets, biscuit packets and other lots of materials we use. We have to invent something, or new kind of fabric we need to invent, or we have to learn new kind of skills or develop something that which replace fully plastic, like woods. If we use woods, which is harmful for forest also, because how many woods we can cut like this. So as you heard about the man who is making the product video, which is like a person who is using the hair of weeds for making new kind of products. So we can buy waste material like woods or other waste material like old cloths. We can make new furnitures or new kind of things which we can replace on the basis of plastic.
Don't enhance the
Okay.
topics. Don't enhance the topic. Give me your views in very short, so that everybody can understand
So how can we ban?
how can we ban plastic bags. Give the real solution.
Okay.
And which should be practically
Possible.
Okay, we can not fully ban the plastic bags, but we can contribute little bit in our daily life. We must try to use things which are not made up of plastic, small things like we.
And here we are talking about polythene bags, not whole plastic. Because whole plastic can't be banned.
Banned, yeah.
Because
This is
many products-
recyclable.
Yeah, many products packed in plastic bottles, plastic tippins, like that. So here we are talking about only polythene. If we talk about
If we-
This is only one-use
all
plastic.
types of plastic,
If only
it is impossible.
हाँ, it is
All
impossible.
types of plastic.
Nobody
Nobody can
Ban.
ban, हाँ.
can
Only
okay.
we can ban
But we
one-use
can-
plastic.
We can use
Only one-use.
We can ban polythene bags. And really polythene bags are dangerous.
Dangerous because
Yeah,
they are very dangerous for
as
aquatic animals.
As Aryan told, as Manya told, we throw polythene bags either side of the road, here and there, and the animals eat polythenes. Animals eat polythene, not eats plastic box.
Yes, sir.
For example, if we want to purchase achar, if we want to purchase murabba, jam, many things, all these things packed in plastic box, not in polythene. So if we talk about only polythene bags, it is not big issue. It is not difficult. If government decide, then it can be banned. But sometimes government take initiation, government take step, but after sometimes what happened we don't know, and government don't focus who sells polythene. Sometimes you have heard there is a raid and a shopkeeper has caught by the police officers and by the police because they have lots of polythene bags. But after some times they take bribe and everything will be okay and they sell again. This is the problem. If government strictly ban polythenes, then it can be banned. And besides government, all the human beings must try to save the environment, must try to think to save the environment, because here we are not thinking to save the environment and we are not thinking what is happening with the animals. We are thinking only for ourselves. So that's the big issue also. If we change our habits, if whenever we go to market we bring a bag with us, then we can take all the things, we can purchase things and we have no any problem. So we don't want to change our bad habits. So people are responsible. Not only government are responsible for all these things, because government makes rule and regulation, but people don't follow. You have heard. I want to give the example. Police department or traffic department all times make rule and regulation, and they request to the people, please put on helmet while riding the bike, and put on belt while driving the car, but people don't follow. So here government can't do anything, and sometimes we have to pay penalty, but we don't change our habits. So first I think people have to change the habits, and we should follow the rules and regulation of government, then it can be changed. And if you have any other solution, so you can give the solution.
Sir, government has to make the prices of jute and cotton bags cheap, so and plastic bag has to ban, that government had banned. So people don't have any option to buy polythene bags. So in my point of view, government has to cheap the prices.
As you told that government should have to change the cost of jute bag on cotton bags. If the government less the price of jute and cotton bags, then the government is going to loss, because the cotton bags and jute bags.
Doing something good, if government has to face loss, then it's not a big issue.
But for the country, government
earn money from other sources also. And here not the role of government. Here the
role of
businessman.
Yeah.
Businessman plays great role, because government don't make polythenes.
Yeah.
Some businessmen
and make polythenes
who
to
have-
increase your
who
business
have
and
all
also.
types of facilities, they
Make polythene
they
bags
make
for
polythene
their
bags,
profit.
and they sell polythene bags in market. So here government can't do anything. I think government must take stern action against those people who manufactures plastic bags, polythene bags. As well as government, people also think about it, because if environment safe, then we are safe. If environment are not safe, if environment is not safe, then we are not safe. So we must think about our environment, and we must think about our future. So it is the responsibility of every human being as well as government. Okay, so thank you so much. We have discussed on the topic from many angles, and you have put the views on the topic very nicely. So thank you. Clapping for everyone.